Hey guys, welcome back to another lesson in web application penetration testing with OWASP Juice Shop. In today's lesson, we are going to exploit a NoSQL injection vulnerability to inject malicious code into the application. If you find my content helpful, be sure to like and subscribe to my channel, and let's get started. The first thing you're going to do is check out the route to read reviews. So I've pasted the route here. It's rest/products, the ID of the review/reviews. So we can change this ID parameter to 1, for example, and read the first review. We can change it to 2 to read the second review, and 3 to read the third review, and so on. So this ID parameter looks suspect for injection. The next thing you're going to do is head over to the Juice Shop repository on GitHub and clone the repo. Now, the reason we're doing this is to confirm that the ID parameter is vulnerable to NoSQL injection. So after you've cloned the repo, head into the repository directory and run a grep search for the reviews route. Change the number to the potential ID injection parameter. That doesn't turn up anything, so we can try rest/products. And we do find some matches for that string. So we can look through the list of strings that are matching, and we find a file server.ts on line 627 where the API passes a GET request to the show product reviews function. So now let's run a grep search for the show product reviews function. And I'll maximize this so you can see. And that narrows our search results to the server.ts file and routes/showproductreviews.ts, where we can see that the server.ts file imports show product reviews from that file. So we'll open up routes/showproductreviews.ts in our text editor, and we'll head to line 28 where the function is defined. And on line 35, you see a call to a db.reviewsCollection.find function where the ID parameter appears to be unsanitized and injectable. And we can confirm that db.reviewsCollection is a NoSQL request library by inferring it from the imports where the db object is imported from data/MongoDB. And you can even look at that file and see that it's making calls to a MarsDB from a MarsDB import library, where if we do a Google search for that library and we take a look at its GitHub, we can see MarsDB is a promise-based lightweight database with MongoDB query syntax written on ES6. So we know for sure this is a call to a MongoDB NoSQL database, and the ID parameter is unsanitized and injectable. Now, if we go back to the application, and for the ID parameter, you can make a call to the MongoDB sleep function by passing in 2000 milliseconds to the function argument in order to make the application sleep for 2 seconds. Now, if you submit this, the application will fall asleep, and you have successfully DoSed the application. That's it for this video, guys. If you have any questions or any comments, leave them down below in the comment section, and I'll see y'all in the next video. Peace.